Hello students of class 3, and this is again I am present before you with your GK class. So today again we are going to learn something new, and today's topic is very interesting. We are going to learn about the monuments which we know, but these monuments are lighted brightly and they are just shining like the beautiful stars in the sky during the night time also. But we have to come to know that which are these places all over India which is just shining at the night also. Okay, during this night when everything is dark, these are the places which glitters like the stars. So let us go through page number 6, and here comes beautifully lit structures. These are the beautifully lit structures, and here you have been given the pictures of these places and the name of the cities. Okay, so we are going to find out the exact location of these cities which are just lit beautifully during the night time also. Okay, so given below are some structures that glitter at night. Recognize them and write their names in the given blanks. You may use the help box. Okay, so the first one is the sea beach of Mumbai. Yes, this is the place where you can see sea just beside the city Mumbai. Okay, and the name of that place is Marine Drive. Yes, Marine Drive. This is the place where Mumbai is running fast, competing each other. Each and every person is the busiest one of this world, and over here we are there to see the beautifully glittered Marine Drive. So here in Mumbai, this is the picture of the place known as Marine Drive. Okay, and we are going to, if you want to write down the names, you can write down the names I have given over here, and if you want to note down only the number, so it's better you write down the names in a very good handwriting, and if you don't want, then you can number them. Okay, and Marine Drive in the health box is having number C. Right, next comes our beautifully decorated, that is lightened, the Gateway of India. That is also in Mumbai. In Mumbai, whenever you go at this place, the Gateway of India is being decorated in such a nice manner that it glitters at night also. Okay, so this is the Gateway of India. Gateway of India, and here the number of the Gateway of India is G. Okay, so I have written on the board, you can write the name, if not you can note down the number also. It's G. Next comes our third picture, and each and every citizen of India knows this place, and that is, yes, Rashtrapati Bhavan. It's Rashtrapati Bhavan, and here comes the number, that is I. And all of you know where is our Rashtrapati Bhavan? It's in Delhi. Yes, it's in Delhi. So this is our Rashtrapati Bhavan. Next comes our number 4, and in Hyderabad, this place is very famous, and it's Buddha statue. It's Buddha statue. It is littered. This structure is littered very nicely, and the number of this structure place is D. So you can give the number from the help box, that is D. Next is, we all know this one, right? Being the citizen of West Bengal, being the resident of West Bengal, this is our state, that is Kolkata is our city, capital city, and the famous place of Kolkata, that is Howrah Bridge. Actually, it is the identity of Kolkata, right? So yes, so it's Howrah Bridge, which has been lighted so nicely, so beautifully, that it's really amazing to see when we visit over there after sunset, right? So it's Howrah Bridge, and over here the number is F. Howrah Bridge number is F. Okay. Next comes India Gate. Next picture is of India Gate, and it is in Delhi. The gateway of India is in Mumbai, and India Gate is also decorated or lit it very nicely, and it is known as India Gate. India Gate. The number of India Gate is A. A. So let us write down A. Okay. Next comes here, that is Gujarat, and the capital of Gujarat, that is Gandhinagar, and the Gandhinagar's famous monument is Akshardham. Yeah, Akshardham temple. It's the religious temple of Swami Narayan, and it's a community over there, and really they build up their temples in such a glorious way, and it has been decorated in such a nice way. It's a really what to say, it's a very beautiful place to visit. If you visit any time at Gujarat, obviously you should visit Akshardham. Okay, Akshardham temple. So here the number is E. Okay. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus. This is the very prime place, very busiest point of Mumbai. Okay, so it is known as Chhatrapati Maharaj Shivaji Maharaj Terminus. As Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj belongs to Maharashtra, he is the pride of Maharashtra. So here he has been addressed. This station has been named after this person, this freedom fighter. He was the one who fought for the freedom. He was the one who fought for the justice. He is the pride of Maharashtra. Okay, so Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus is also a place which is lit very nicely. It brightened, it glitters the whole night. Okay. Next is our Golden Temple in Amritsar, Punjab. And as you know, Golden Temple, it is called Golden Temple. It's a Gurudwara, and it's when the lights are just on, it looks like as if it is of gold. Okay, that's why it is known as Golden Temple. Okay. So here comes the Golden Temple. So here Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, the number is H, and Golden Temple, the number is, let us find out, it's B. It's B. So students, if you want, you can write down the names of these monuments and places, and if you want, you can put down the numbers also, whichever is easier for you to remember. Okay, so I will be back again next Saturday. I conclude my class over here, and I hope everyone is taking care of their health. Be safe, take care of yourself, wash your hands properly after every period. Okay, so okay, bye bye.